development is best. Contraceptive. Elaborate. When I say development is about a better education. When we say better education, there is a link. There is a link that has been mentioned about the literacy level of the female and the TFR and TFR. So if the girl is 10th pass, 4 children, 12th pass, 3 children, graduate, 2 children. Okay, this is what has been given in your International Conference on Population Development. So 10th pass, there are 4 children. 12th, there is 3. Then you have graduate, it is about 2. This has been given in the International Conference on Population and Development. This link has been established. Okay, so better education, better the literacy level, less number of the children. When we say better health, it is about IMR, MMR. If there is high IMR, the parents are not secure whether the child will survive or not, and therefore they give birth to more children. High MMR, it is not secure whether the mother will survive or not, and therefore more birth to the children. So better health facilities, nutrition, awareness, immunization, everything that will come. Okay, when we say development, it is about how far is the women empowered for the reproductive rights to decide the number of children as well as the spacing between the children, spacing of the children. When I say development, there is delay in marriage, and therefore linked to this is the short reproductive window, and therefore low TFR, delay in marriage. When we say development, it is about challenging the norms of patriarchy. When you challenge the norms of patriarchy, then there is no discrimination between a male child and a female child. So, jo son meta preference hota hai, giving the birth till the time we have male child, that reduces, and therefore your fertility rate reduces. Okay, this is about better quality of life. If we have better quality of life, if we have urban amenities, right, then and there is better employment opportunities, then your RC&D won't come, the social capillarity, and there is less TFR. So it is said that development is the best contraceptive. So if you want that the fertility rate should be reduced in the country, provide development. Isme jab aap development karte ho, to you can talk about high income, the income, per capita income, and then you can say Marx. Marx said that majority of the population increase is in the poor population. The poor population, and there is increase in the TFR. So as there is a higher income, there is, with income comes your better health, better education, better awareness, sensitivity. Okay? And therefore there is less TFR. Yes, delay in marriage may controversy, increase the age of the women to 21 and rather than keeping at 18. Okay? Yes, Amarsh. J.S. Mill talked about women empowerment. J.S. Mill talked about the reproductive rights and the women empowerment. Okay? All this is nothing but women empowerment. Give her education, health, literacy, the reproductive rights, income opportunities. This all can be summed up as a women empowerment. So this is what development is. If we want to reduce the fertility in a country, there are various measures that are promoted. One measure is that is coercive government policies, coercive population policy. Other is there are sometimes debates which says that religion and fertility have a link. Okay, if religion and fertility having, actually it is not religion and fertility having a link. It is about development. It is about the delivery of services. It is about empowerment of the women.